Hi, I'm Pete Stewart.
Hi, I'm Donna Stewart, and we are Bruce Peninsula Boat Tours. Discover the islands of the beautiful Bruce Peninsula. The Bruce Peninsula has a series of 70 islands that extend along its west coast from Chiefs Point in Sauble Beach to Stokes Bay in North Bruce Peninsula. They are in the traditional territory of the Saugeen Ojibwe Nation. Relax on the route less traveled and recall the Indigenous people and white mariners of our past. In our 90-minute guided tour, we cruise past islands once home to a First Nation smokehouse, a local still, and one of the oldest permanent structures in Bruce County. Learn about Ontario's natural paradise, just 13 kilometers north of Sauble Beach. We are on a migratory bird route, and the coastline here is a very important fish nursery as well.
And we have a Caribbean-like environment. The colors of the water are spectacular.
We want our visitors to have a great day on the water they'll dream of all winter long. For more information, visit our website. You can book online or you can call us.